All right, sir. What is your name and what is the name of your trailer?
Hugo Gonzalez, and the name of the restaurant is La Autentica.
Big Wheels Kitchen, sir. Big Wheels Rollin.
My name is Spencer Bryant, and my food trailer is Cooking Up Magic.
We've been doing festivals for 20 years out of tents, and this is the first time working out of a trailer now, so it's gonna be a good feeling, you know, out of the sun, out of, you know, the regular tents are breaking down. This is just an easier cleanup, you know, everything at the end of the day. So I spoke with the owner of the company here and I told him that I need 10 of these. So this is our first project.
Started with God that helped me get this here, because it's been a dream from day one, but now God has put it in motion and I'm here, and I've been cooking since I was 15 at McDonald's, so I had to learn to love this thing. So now I love it, and gotta do it until the casket drop. I'm gonna be right here.
I can't wait to get the lines and getting ready all this food out, you know. We sell mostly Puerto Rican platter dishes, rice and beans, pulled pork, fried chicken, pinchos, empanadas.
The seasonings that I formally put together and just the flavor that I'm gonna bring to you is just different. It may be a hamburger, but it's a different taste than that hamburger.
Oh man, we got the oxtails, turkey wings, barbecue ribs, pig feet, hog jaws, hog mouths, you name it, that's what we do. Anybody want to start their own business, this is the place to start right here. If you want to get in the restaurant business, this is the place.
You have an amazing staff all around, from designs, from sales, from Ace to the actual owner.
If I had a question about anything, they was always there.
Tony put me in the game.
I work with Tony, and from the beginning, she's been there. Texts, phone calls, whatever. You know, I can just pick up the phone and call her. You feel like you can communicate with them, and they're not leaving you hanging for a question or whatever.
They really know what you know, what us as customers want.
One Fat Frog is really a good place to experience. If you're thinking about jumping in your first rodeo with food, you know, I would definitely give them a try.
I can't wait to start.
Yeah, just keep following it. Keep in the game, don't give up. Keep praying, keep asking, and then one day somebody's gonna believe in you. I had somebody to believe in me and they put me in the game. So they out there, you gotta keep, like I say, love it, gotta love it.
Just come visit Cooking Up the Magic food truck, and you see me around, and come give me a try, and I promise you it'll be magically delicious.
Wait, I don't know if we can use that one. I think that's Lucky Charms or something. That'll be a blooper at the end or something.
Yeah, we'll put that as a blooper.